Namaste guys, hope you guys are doing well. I was here at Gunjiwada waterfalls as part of my spiritual journey in search of peace. Sorry, Gunjiwada Mini waterfalls. You know, that mini is important here. Please leave a like, it just takes a single tap on your phone and it means a lot. This particular waterfall is located near to the very famous Tarabu waterfalls located in Andhra and very close to Odisha as well. The muddy road towards the right side that you can see is the road that leads to the main Tarabu fall, and this waterfall is located towards the left near to the Tarabu entrance ticket point. It takes around 5 minutes to reach the location, but it took us more than 10 to 15 minutes as we took the wrong path. Do you know that Tarabu waterfalls is also known as Pittalaborra and or Gunjiwada waterfalls? అయితే ఈ వాటర్ఫాల్స్ ఆ దగ్గరలోనే ఉండటం వల్ల గుంజివాడ మినీ అని పేరు పెట్టేశారు. That's what it is called as per Google Maps. Or named after another waterfall just because it is near to it. I feel it should have its own identity, a separate name. You know what I'm saying? You may disagree. Anyways, this waterfall is surrounded by lush green fields and the aerial view looks so stunning. Although the waterfall looks so stunning, very few people visit and only few people know about it as of now. ఎందుకంటే దగ్గరలోనే చాలా ఫేమస్ అయిన తరాబు వాటర్ఫాల్స్ ఉండటం వల్ల ఈ వాటర్ఫాల్స్ అయితే జనరలీ స్కిప్ చేసేస్తారు. దట్స్ సాడ్ బట్ దట్స్ ద ట్రూత్. People tend to skip or ignore, probably to save time or for whatever reasons, but one thing you should think about is we travel hundreds of kilometers, ride or drive for more than 6 to 10 hours depending on where we start from, and we skip or fail to visit such a beautiful waterfall which is actually on the way is not cool at all. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, but again, it's actually a good sign in a way, because not being a frequently visited place means no plastic waste. No plastic waste, it stays natural, no artificial effects, and that is awesome, isn't it? But if you are a nature lover, especially a waterfall lover, it doesn't matter big or small, famous or infamous, hard or easy trek, long or short distance, you would definitely be a part of it. Because every place has its own beauty, every place has its own story, and this particular waterfall has one, and I don't know what it is. You can also swim here, but we were heading to the big one, Tarabu, so to save time, we skipped. This place may not be a popular one, but trust me, it is an awesome place to hike, explore, swim and enjoy, and also for a small responsible sitting as well. And guys, please try to watch videos in my channel on TV, if it's a smart TV, if you have access to watch YouTube on TV, if possible, if feasible, for better viewing experience. Avoid plastic, take care of our nature so it takes better care of our future. Watch the video till the end if you can. Thank you for your time. Take care.